It is scientifically proven that even a small dose of power changes how a person's brain operates and diminishes empathy. Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel, Mira. Namaste आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you 5 things or 5 advantages which a brain gets after you start reading books. And these advantages are crazy, guys, because I believe it's the most important ingredient with the help of which you can feed your brain and even grow from it. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Books inspire creativity, critical thinking, increase empathy, and offer plenty of other incentives to go and enjoy some word power. If you really want to unleash your brain's true potential, then I encourage you to watch the video till the end. The first thing is reading allows us to experience more sensation. In a study conducted at Emory University, reading increases the activity in the brain's central sulcus, which controls our motor skills. If we read the passage where a character is walking along the path, the activity from the neurons in this area make us feel as though we are experiencing the walk ourselves. Then there's grounded cognition, a concept that proves that reading actually puts you in someone else's shoes through the brain biology. Like when I say that when you start reading a book, it feels that you are experiencing it because it's a magic, guys. It's magic. The way author helps you to experience those things is amazing. That's number one for you. What is number two? Reading makes us more empathetic. Literally, fiction readers have a high ability to empathize with others' emotions and thoughts than those who read mainly non-fiction. In other words, fiction readers can be more empathetic and have an easier time seeing a situation from various perspectives just by reading about their favorite characters. Don't you guys feel this is true that we tend to understand the situation in a superior way with more maturity when we know that this is how it happened? And that happens because we read some books, and fiction books are the best example because even I'm experiencing the same. Previously I used to read a lot of non-fiction one, but now I think I'm gaining interest in reading fiction and one as well. So yeah, that's number two for you. Number three, books provide plenty of mental stimulation. Like, it literally triggers your brain, guys. It literally triggers your brain the way it works. It's like it's amazing feeling. Like, it will make you think beyond what you can imagine, and that stimulates the mind and your brain start functioning in the right way. It's like a workout for your brain. Like, reading is something which is a gym to a body. It's the same thing. So yeah, that's the third one for you. So the fourth one is reading helps us reduce our stress level. Like when you make a habit of reading, it becomes easier to get lost in someone else's character than ourselves. Like we literally forget what we were thinking or doing before reading. It's that powerful, and if you start enjoying the fiction or non-fiction where something is happening, like action is there, comedy is there, it's fun. Like you completely get lost in that environment which the author creates with his writings. It's just simply amazing. It feels amazing, guys. Amazing. So read. Last is one of the most important and the most sexiest thing I like is reading helps you increase your memory. And how does that happen? Like reading helps you, not help you, but help your brain function in a different manner, in a different zone altogether. Just not only phonic conversation or auditory process or visuals. It's way more than that. It helps you concentrate at one place constantly. First thing. Second, it jolts your brain in some other stuff which you might never have thought about. It helps you intrigue and get focused on one area only. And that helps a lot to increase your memory power because now you are concentrating and focusing at the same time. It's an extra work for your brain. So that's muscle power, which the brain is getting. So that was the last one for you. So guys, these are the 5 things I believe is most effective and the most advantageous for our brain. And I think it's important to have these things. So Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video and tuning in today. I hope I was able to add value. If you guys feel the same, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. It's amazing to know people globally. One simple message, and the last one is read, guys. Read. Read as much as possible. Just read. And you start seeing the magic automatically. At least read one page a day. Just start, get started, and you will see the results happening for you. So I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.